Hey, Dan here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is around the house. Well, here we go. I'm going to start doing the roof. I'm going to do it in metal, and my first step's going to be putting down a moisture barrier, and then put the furring strips across to hold it down. And the main thing about this is getting everything as plumbed and straight and aligned as possible. And then once you do that, then the next thing will be getting the metal aligned and overlapping in the right direction and making sure everything is again aligned, so at the very end you're not overlapping and you're not stepping and all that. And what you're looking at is my furling boards. They're going to go across my roof. These are 14 footers. As you can see, my tarp is staying on again, and it's good. I got a good airflow underneath it, so that means all the wet shingles are going to dry up for me. So I got these at 14 feet hanging out my stang, and you can get them up to 16 feet long. So that's going to be a start. Of course, it has to be windy today, so I'm not going to deal with it today. I'm just going to get these out, lay them down so I have them. We're going to go from there. Alright, what you're seeing right now is my second load of furl strips. Ouch, damn. Oh, that hurt. My second run with furl strips, 14 footers, and I'm gonna start working on that this weekend. Alright, there we are. I got my last load of furl strips. These are 16 footers this time, and I'll be able to cut them down to where I want them, but I want to get them as long as I could this time. I got eight 14s, and now I got another four 16s, and I think that's gonna do it. Okay, now here's my moisture barrier. I got the thicker stuff, which is 30W, and there is a lighter stuff, 20. I think it's 20W. We're gonna roll this out. My first one's gonna be 21 feet long. Okay, here we go. First step is going to be to get my moisture barrier rolled out. I need a 21-foot piece to go across the very top. Now I'm going horizontally. I'm not going vertically, so I'm going straight across, just like you would do with doing shingles. As you can see, there's my. I've got 16 foot. And I've got 14 feet. So eventually, I guess, once I get towards the end, I'll have to probably buy some smaller pieces that I can cut to fit. Okay, now here's my moisture barrier. I got the thicker stuff, which is 30W, and there is a lighter stuff, 20. I think it's 20W. We're going to roll this out. My first one's going to be 21 feet long. Okay, there we go. We got my 21 feet marked out. It really doesn't have to be perfectly straight because it's got to come down. I got to come down off of a curvature, but it's close enough. pretty thick. So once it's down, the nice thing about it is it's thick. It's not going to rip. If you're standing on it, you've got to stand on it. It's not going to rip. So one reason I chose to go with a thicker paper. Costs a little more, but in the end, you get what you pay for. And you're going to see in some videos where people don't even put a barrier down on the over your shingles. It's kind of, I guess, a preference depending on what you want to do, but I want to make my roof as waterproof as I can. So that's why I chose to go ahead and put barrier paper over it. But putting your straps across the roof is a must. You may see some videos where they just put the metal on top of the shingles. Now, as far as I know, it's going to make the shingles really cook under there, and there's no not having an airflow under it. So I highly recommend making sure you put straps under it. Alright, now what I gotta do is I gotta loosen my holes on my tarp. I think that's gonna be definitely a pain in the butt each time, because until I get it done, I need to make sure that the I gotta make sure that the tarp is being held or dropped down each night till I get it. Down this ladder, a couple hundred down. on this side. I gotta put a ferrule strip down the side on this thing. I'm going to go ahead and get my two 16-foot ferrule strips ready to go. I don't want to put them around the other side. I'll take it through the house. And the other one I'm going to put right up the side over there. We got to put ferrule strips down each side end of the roof. And as you close here, so you put your siding pieces on. My pain in the butt is gonna be getting the moisture barrier underneath it. So I don't have that problem.